Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have our 2013 Tesla Model S, and on this vehicle I'll show you how to replace your HID light bulb that is in your headlight housing. So we have our turn indicator, we have our daytime runners, and we have our HID light bulb here. Anything to the rest here needs to be the whole housing to be replaced, not serviceable. HID light bulb, if it goes out, we can service that. You'll either remove your wheel well liner to be able to gain access to it, or just remove the whole headlight housing. To do that, remove your bumper and then remove the 4 bolts. Hold the housing on, one electrical connection, and then we'll be able to flip it around to gain the access to. And just imagine, even if this was still mounted down in here, same thing. You'd have to reach up in there and be able to pull this little cover off, the rubber cover, and we pull that and remove it. And then you're going to see the light here. There, if you reach in, there is a little collar piece that you can twist of a counterclockwise, and that unlocks the light bulb to where now you'll be able to pull it out. We have enough of an electrical wiring here. We got some little push clip we need to press in here a little bit to get this to come undone. All right, so removal of our HID can be a bit of a pain, but it worked a bit okay. But you just got to squeeze and then being able to pull away, because you've got a little clip that holds inside there. And so we squeeze and pull that out, and then we'd get a new one of these. This little collar piece transfer to your new HID. And we also do not touch this light bulb with our bare hands, being that your oils in your hands will be able to deteriorate it and make your light bulb not run as long. So, being said, take your new one and then just be able to press it back and until it locks in there. And then we need to run the light in there, and we see we got that little tube there that's going to go on the bottom side here. Being able to get the wire in there and push down so that it doesn't go into the eye or the light hole there. And now we have it pressed in there, and then taking our little collar piece that's in there, giving that a good quarter turn to the clockwise to lock everything into place. And then do make sure you put your little cover piece on here. Like I said, whether you do this with removing the whole headlight housing or taking the wheel liner, it'll be the same process, just that I find it a bit easier to just remove the housing if you need to. So that's the replacement of your HID light bulb, the one and only serviceable light bulb on this headlight assembly. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.